Amazing.
That is actually the worst thing you can do, is try and get that stain out. If you have a stain, don't try and remove it, especially something like hot chocolate, coffee, tea. This person had a nearly new carpet and her son has walked up the carpet with a cup of hot chocolate in that hand and a cup of tea in that hand. He's tripped and splosh. My first point of response was, is it hot and what have you done with it? And luckily she hasn't done anything. Most people, including yourself, would probably think, if I spill something, I'm going to blot it up, I'm going to use some tissue, towel or something to soak up as much as I can. You can lock it into the carpet. Sprinkle some fine salt over the carpet and let it absorb more of the moisture. That will prevent it becoming damaged and increase the chances of removal. I'm over the moon because the customer's happy, she's followed my advice and she's obviously booked in. So looking forward to seeing the results.